welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making street corn salad, guys. It's super easy, it's creamy and packed with flavor and goes perfect with your tacos. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by making our sauce. So add your mayo into a bowl. Add your sour cream, juice from a lime, we're going to season with chipotle peppers, cumin, black pepper, and salt. Go ahead and give that a mix. Just like so. Now go ahead and set this aside. Now we're going to chop our green onion right in here. We're going to finely dice our jalapeno. And I will be removing the seeds. And we're going to finely dice our jalapeno. And for my cilantros, I am going to remove the leaves from the stem before chopping them. I am going to finely chop my cilantro. Give this a good mix. I almost forgot to add in my garlic powder. After giving this a good mix, go ahead and put this in the fridge until you are ready to use it. Now, in a large cast iron over medium heat, I am going to add my butter and I am going to roast my corn in here. Guys, make sure you drain your corn before adding them in here. There will still be some water and it will start roasting after the water is dried out. As you can see, this looks great and this is after 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is turn off the heat and let this cool completely. While we wait for our corn to cool off, we are going to grate our cheese. Now that the corn is completely cool, we are going to add it to our dressing. Now add your cheese. And give it a mix. Now go ahead and give it a taste to see if it needs any additional seasoning. Mine tastes great and this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my street corn salad is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? Thank you so much for cooking with me today and I'll catch you guys later.